Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Say it with me. We'll find out together because I don't know what's in here. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for my Patreon right down in the description. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alrighty. Sorry, there was tape from the last unboxing on the scalpel there. People always ask me, so try to say periodically what the heck this thing is. This is a scalpel that was made by a viewer, actually Kiefer, who periodically pops up down there. This is made out of an F-150 truck spring and was voted to be the dedicated unboxing tool on this channel by my viewers. There's actually a whole series on that. You can check it out in my playlist if you'd like to. Oh, we have a Benchmade and a Spyderco. Great. I told people this month, well, from the time you're seeing this, unboxings in the following month, because I pre-record all my content. Very heavy Spyderco and Benchmade month. Absolutely. Not that there won't be other stuff sprinkled in. MC, thanks for the awesome content. Enjoy the WV sticker. Oh, awesome. Huh. Very cool. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. I've never been to West Virginia. Maybe I should go. Alrighty. Let's do this one. The one that it says right on the box what it is. The Mini Presidio 2. The reason I wanted to check out... Wait a second. Oh, this is manual. I thought these were assisted. I also thought that this would be a mini knife. The Presidio 2 must be gigantic. Wow. Okay. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of Benchmades that I just haven't taken a look at. And I thought, I haven't done a big, like, sometimes when I send those things out and I say, here's the knives that I'm looking for review. And by the way, yes, these do go back to their owners when I'm done reviewing them. I haven't done like a Benchmade heavy list yet. And there's a whole bunch of Benchmades I've never looked at. The Mini Presidio is one that people bring up a lot, and I've never looked at it. All right, well, right off the bat, yeah, this is pretty cool. You can reverse flick it. Handle profile's nice. Blade profile's nice. What's the steel? I'm going to guess. Oh, no, it's 20 CV. Wait a second. Is this an upgraded... What's the handle material? Is it... It's some sort of injection mold plastic. It's interesting that it's... Oh, I thought it said 20 CV. It's S30V. I was going to say it's injection mold plastic and 20 CV. That's weird, but okay. I'm going to guess this isn't a horribly expensive knife, and I'm also going to guess that it's available. So, yeah, I will link this knife and Benchmade knives in general down below. There is a large Presidio, so if this look, I wear an XL glove. I can get a full grip on this guy, but if it seems too small and you're interested, you can check out the large one. Really good, though. I mean, right off the bat, yeah, nice grippy texture. It's definitely going to hold you in without the way that they've got it. It's not, I don't think it's going to fray up your pants too bad, but like the pocket clip, definitely. Pretty neat. That'll be a fun one to look at, absolutely. All right, let's see what's in this Spyderco box. What do we have here? Is this the, come on now. Is this the chaparral that's the compression lock? Yeah, so I thought that I would just think that the chaparral was the most boring vanilla thing that Spyderco had ever come out with. And then I handled the, oh wait, not the chaparral, the sage. Wait, probably says on the box. Yeah, sorry, chaparral. Sage. I'm sure there's people already typing it. You idiot! That's a Sage. How dare you? Sage 5. Or I'm going to guess the numbers are associated with which locking mechanism it's using, because I found out that the Sage 1 through 5, they use various locking systems between a liner lock, a little bolt action lock, this compression lock, perhaps others. I don't know. Not familiar with the Sage line up until now, but I thought I should familiarize myself with it. I loved the Sage 1 in Maximate, the liner lock version, so I thought maybe a lightweight one with the compression lock would be pretty cool. And yeah, right off the bat, I'm really liking this. I can see why people like this. S30V, and then kind of a honeycomb texture pattern on this also injection mold plastic stuff, whatever it is that Spyderco uses. I think this is available. I can see why people like this. It's not like this was an undiscovered thing and I'm suddenly bringing it to light. A lot of people like this knife. A lot of people ask me, like, have you ever checked out the Sage? You know, and I am now, so I'm just playing catch up. But if you've never experienced this, I can tell you that, yeah, having handled the Sage 1 in Maximum and now the Sage 5 in the FRN-ish stuff and S30V, yeah, EDC profile is excellent. I kind of thought, you know, okay, so it's just a modified version of the Para 3, just got a different blade shape. I will say that the Sage is more attractive. The lines are more attractive than the Para 3. And you can enjoy that same, this is very fall shutty. Oh boy. You can enjoy that same level of fidget factor, right, as the Para 3. It's just got more of a Manix 2 blade, more of a leaf blade than the Pelican blade. I don't know what Spyderco calls this, so I call it the Pelican blade. Sorry, you won't be able to unsee that now. It looks like a pelican's beak. Yeah, pretty cool. I don't think this is a horribly expensive knife. You can check this out. I'll link this knife, Spyderco knives in general, so you can shop all Spyderco knives, and I'll link this guy, as well as Benchmade knives in general, so you guys can check out everything that they've got going on. This is cool. I'm glad that I'm checking out some of these models that I probably should have checked out a long time ago. I get distracted with new stuff that's coming out, and I do like to return to the past periodically with folding knives, so unless, maybe this is brand new. Maybe the Sage 5 Lightweight is brand new. Who knows? I'll find out more, and I'll explain it when we do the full comprehensive reviews. It's always something I have to mention in unboxings because people get confused. This is not a review. This is an unboxing and first impressions. I've never handled these knives before, so I'll have a few weeks to sit around and kind of inspect them and experience them, and then you'll get a full 20-minute comprehensive review on each of these knives. Thanks again for sending this in, Mr. Well, I don't want to say his name if he doesn't want me to, so we'll talk about that in the actual reviews. But anyways, thank you so much for sending them. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.